saltpan indicated structures, date the site, and obtain a research of the last 2,000 years. The Dalmatian shore contains large number of submerged ancient saltport remains in coves, all the red dots in the map. Most of the sites are preserved in good condition and not destroyed by coast development. Therefore, provide great potential for development of this process. Our study gives these four sites: Marinella Bay in the mainland, Bargad Island and Lhasa Island in Cornwall National Park, and Birbin in Dubiota. Lhasa and Birbin. The study had two stages. The first stage, archaeology as a proxy to Paleocene. We mapped the site by integration of multi sensor data, such as drone images, scan sonar data, GPS measurements, all combined with traditional underwater archaeological survey. The second stage, sedimentological, geochemical, and microfossil analysis of coal samples from the saltport area for better understanding of the paleo landscape changes between natural to anthropogenic environment. We produce metric and accurate 3D digital surface models of the survey scene. The models enable continuous and reliable measurement of the indicative structure, mainly the separation wall and the sluice gates. Here, cross-section, we can identify sluice gates, view and view, and also slope analysis, you can see the sluice gates clearly. What is sluice gates? Sluice gate function as a controller for inserting water from the open sea into the saltport area and in between the pools from lower salinity to higher salinity. How we reconstruct the relative sea level and time of operation? In order to estimate the past sea level, it is assumed that the top of the separation wall in the time of operation was few centimeters above seasonal highest ceased its operation in the end of the 14th century. The study of the local RSL, the results are compared here to previous published data and to GIA models. The results of our study in Marinella and Della are compatible with previous studies and the models, but in Irvine, South Island, they are well below previous studies and prediction models. Is it tectonics to blame? Continuous GPS stations along the Dalmatian shore suggest subsidence only in the southern part of the Dalmatian coast, while the central part of the Dalmatian coast seems to be more stable during long periods. The European Archive of Historical Earthquakes recorded 2 strong earthquakes in the vicinity of Lhasa and Irvine in 1418 and 1717 after the abandonment of the South Brook area, but without any indication on the sites. Summarized, the study presents a new proxy for reconstructing past that sea level using ancient saltpans. The study combined multi-disciplinary